Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening disk management immediately and checking drives. This shows basic partition layout. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt, type disk part, and select the disk with list disk, then select disk X. This dual approach gives a quick visual check versus a precise command line readout. Make sure to confirm the disk number. You will use it in the next steps to avoid modifying the wrong drive. You now determine whether the disk is GPT or MBR. In Disk Management, open the Disk Properties Volumes tab. Partition style will show GPT or Master Boot Record. Alternatively, use disk part. List disk shows an asterisk under the GPT column for GPT disks. No asterisk means MBR. For System Boot Mode, run msinfo32 and check BIOS mode. UEFI indicates GPT boot typical. Legacy indicates MBR boot. These checks explain why some tools and partitioning limits behave differently. You finish by deciding whether to convert or leave the partition style. If converting, use Windows MBR2 GPT tool for system disks or reliable third-party utilities for data disks. Follow prompts and backup first. Once conversion is complete, reboot and verify in Disk Management and msinfo32. If the disk still shows incorrectly, make sure to rescan disks, update storage drivers, and confirm SATA mode in firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.